Chan of me is Xiaomi 12, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. Firstly, click on the square button and tap on the top left corner on floating windows feature. Now select one of your apps by tapping on the chosen one, like Play Store. As you can see, now I can use my app in the setup window over here. If you wish to place it somewhere else, you need to hold this line and drag it. If you wish to use it overlay the other app, just tap on the other app and operate in both of them. If you wish to close your app though, you need to click on the square button and close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!